Ke annual sports meet jong ke St. Joseph High Secondary School umden kabalapelong Hamadan umden kalapoi shikabakut hapadeng ke jing Shongshit pa ke jing internat ha kapa ki Khynnah Skul neki house beper kilapen I ki sapele ka jong ki ke Jingiakop beper. Kani ke jingi le kai ke basdang na duk ke sngi bala dep bat la sakhi ke jingi shimenta ke beshet ram neki Khynnah Skul ki blai khun ban khori ki takma bat ki nam job na ke benta ki house jongki bat ke bakham internat kalong ba ke te ke lumpung ke skul kala kentup ru ke Jingiakop Ñiah Bullock kat la ni ke kali ding ke bala penchong shit shu ki pa Haka sngi penkun Khubor penyat ke skul kila sami ki takma trofi bat ki sernot chabarok ki nong job ha ke Jingiakop beper kum ke jing ithu ke jing treshitom ke jing le kai bha jongki ya kani ke lempung lawan ban penhap no ekalama da MLA ke nong po ba mir response im kum kongsan harangkat ke jing don lang ba Nikhil Singh chief manager ke SBI nong po kum sumbut kongsan la don lang ru principal ke skul Padar Hamperwa tingkan SDP, Vice Principal Father Thomas Marak SDP kiwe kiri orang ba. Apa keren dengan ni kecing yalang, ubah mirror bonds mula banjur, baka kecing kai sports kadai kebenta kabedon kambha kecing kam tam ki kena pulih. Ulong baka sports kam jing rap tangha ka kwat ka khia Henry ke rap ru ban pen bahai ke jengmut jeng berkat bat ban light ni ke jing kul mar jengmut ula kentui ki Khynnah Skul bakin pen mlen ya ledi ke jing kai sports namar keni kan yarap ban kiar ni ke jing snew bat ban pen klan ya ke met bat ka bor berkat jongki
Haka annual sports meet jong ka St. Joseph High Secondary School haga ni sgi ngadap ni sokemen ka bakraw bani ya ki events ki discipline ki batmai khamtam ya ka wooden car race lani ka tin shnong ka chung I ko khot ka chong motor ding kadai ka ba la slam ngam ju issue agini ki shnong ki ki dong ba hagi competition khamtam ngim ju khami issue ni mereka sengi ngi ya ke competition ka ba pen mau ye ki por ke ba menshwa ki porlok ki por be ngi ju shong ye ki tu ki motor ding no bong bi ni hagi por ki barang ile kai ka por barang Khynnah. I cannot imagine that the organizer, the teachers within this school, that you could imagine to encourage students that this discipline will be one of the most memorable discipline today. Even me, I had a privilege to sit on that car, and I have requested my media friends to give me that special photo so that I can frame it properly, keep in a drawing room so that I will remember in days to come. Kalau ke besau tenan bani ia ki sab jong ki Khynnah Skul nadu ki badang red hadu ki kelas 12 ki boleh simbenta shirhem Haka ke sports meet ke jong phi Haka ke segi. Dear student, you should remember, as one of the famous thinker of our country have said, let me quote the quotation of Swami Vivekananda: arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal, unquote. This is a very inspiring words in which each and every student, we should remember that we should arise, awake, and we should not stop until we achieve our goal. Ngidai ban yang joy, ngidai ban trish tom, ban gim dai ban song time, adu pengin dapoi show thong jong ngajing job. Namar kata, hagajing le kai sports, don bejob, don borem, don beyok gold medal, don beyok silver, don beyok bronze. And at the end of the day, ngidai baro kinong job. Kabukongsan kalau ngajing simbenta ke jong pi, ngitenan ban pej, yagi Khynnah Skul, bisi menta ke ni ka mas drill ke bapidan, kajing renti, kajing itenan, ke disiplin, katno ke penkemen ha bagi pej. Kabukongsan hagi sports event ki bakum kini, kade kajing simbenta ke jong pi. Itenan ban bagi Khynnah menta ki Khynnah Skul. Himle ranchu kilawan sakmat kidon ki bishim benta hagi jing ruai ki jing shat hagi events ki discipline ki bapher ban nga kentu ya phi ba phinang trishtom ba phinang la ban kiu saprang sakmat hagi jing le kai ki jong phi wanam klet ban pentikina bagi kimi ki pa ki jong phi ki pha ki skul nagabanta ba pinio e gijing nang gijing star gijing le kai kalong ba kongsan dingin di benang ban pedon kam ya Khubor kidon na pedeng jungi ki besultanat ban ruai don na pedeng jungi ki besultanat ban syat don na pedeng jungi ki besultanat ban long kinong ile kai sports hagi disiplin ba pair don na pedeng jungi ki besmat ban pulekot dan peneng jungi ki basmat banle ki indoor game ki outdoor game kum ki kimi ki pa ngidai ban kersan ye lagi jong ki khon ki siu
Second turn. And the third also the blue house. Congratulations to the winners. Kindly send the name of the winners from 200 meter race. Kindly send any of the students. Moving forward, we have the yellow house. The red house is leading forward, followed by the green house, yellow house, blue house. Hey, I'm the green house is Khubor, cheer for your team. Set.
Come on, the houses. Outside. Podium. Shout for your team. Support your team. Off.
final of boys. Kindly both the team be ready. From under 9 category is Yahunam Singh.
Hello. Take this opportunity to announce that the annual sports meet of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School 2026 closed.
Huge round of applause. Thank you, dear sir, Chief Guest.